और ऑक्सीजन का प्रवाह शुरू करने के लिए
reached Hyderabad. I remember having coffee here somewhere the last time. Let's do that again. Wow, look at this. So this is actually shooting water in that side. Immigration done in 2 seconds. Now at Hyderabad's International Airport, going towards the gate. It's 4 a.m. right now. I usually wake up for susu at this time. But I had a good sleep in the flight from Pune to Hyderabad. Pune to Hyderabad seemed to happen in just a couple of seconds because I was deep asleep. I didn't even know when that journey happened, and I'm supposed to wait here for 2 hours. There was a direct flight from Pune to Bangkok at 7 a.m. in the morning, but I didn't want to leave the house at 3 a.m. like a ghost, so I decided to have this full night overnight journey. Anyway, I just have to wait for 1 hour, not even more than that. 2 days ago, I was thinking of canceling this trip, and day before yesterday, I was crying because I was feeling a bit lonely about this trip. Now I realize how much I was craving this, and I really wanted to get out of the house and do this. So, the good thing about this journey is the arrival time at Bangkok. I'll arrive at around 11 a.m. daytime, and that's a good time to reach, so that I just have to directly go to the hotel.
अराइवल आ सके। बैंकॉक में आपका स्वागत है। आपसे निवेदन
2 days ago, I was thinking of canceling this trip. Day before yesterday, I was crying, and right now, I remember how much I was dying to be here. These sounds, these smells, oh my god. Got it. Another favorite place here. So many new food stalls here at Suvarnabhumi Airport. It's a good thing actually. But I'll sit down there and eat something maybe. It'll take me an hour at least. So I came via the airport rail link and I'm now heading to the BTS Cheongnan-si. I might have a drink first. I mean a bubble tea. Hello, can I get a Thai milk tea? This is my 8th Thailand or Bangkok trip and I promised myself to do something different this time. I'm going to try to explore new places. For example, before catching my metro to the hotel, this is one view that I caught. It seems to be a railway station. I never really saw it in the past. Here begins all the excitement.
Next station, Ratchadamri. สถานีต่อไปช่อง14ผู้โดยสารสามารถเปลี่ยนเส้นทางไปรถโดยสารด่วนพิเศษ BRT ได้ที่สถานีนี้ Next station, Cheongnan-si. Interchange with BRT.
Wow, back at Cheongnan-si, the same area where I was staying the last time. Can't believe it's been 2 years. Wow, I have to get fresh now. I have no idea where I'm supposed to go. To the second floor maybe? Tired but not as tired as the last time. Cuteness मतलब बाप रे, एक से बढ़कर एक. हर एक BTS पे कुछ ना कुछ तो शॉपिंग करने वाला हूँ मैं. This time I'm working, isn't it? So that's the 7-Eleven's lane that I have to take. Let's take the lift first. So that's the BTS station right there. There's Holiday Inn, and the last time my hotel was somewhere in that lane. And this time my hotel is 200 meters further in. Turn right. Here we are.
Silam Forest exclusive residence is on the left.
Reached and took my shower. I was quite tired, like I said, not as tired as the last time, but checked in. The room is small. I mean, a 27 or 25 square meter room definitely feels tight, especially when you have stayed in 37 plus meter square rooms. So it feels like a small room, but it is perfect, I think, enough for a single person, solo traveler. And I'm not planning to dance this time. This is the first time I've come like a daddy here. So I'll show the room later. I'm tired. I need to sleep now. हाय, अच्छी नींद हुई. आई थिंक अब चाय पी के बाहर जा सकता हूँ. Let's finish this coffee and head to the MBK Center. It's my day of arrival here in Bangkok. 8th Thailand or Bangkok trip. And it's a Friday. So I think MBK Center should be a good place to visit because tomorrow I will have to visit the Chatuchak market. But before doing anything, let me do the most important thing first. Passport, cash. The best thing about Thailand, as far as I have observed, is that 35 रुपीज़ का मैंने एक टिकट लिया और 1000 की नोट दी उसको, तो उन्होंने 965 रिटर्न किए मुझे. नहीं किया. सो ये जो टूटी फूटी बिल्डिंग दिख रही है ना, जो एक्चुअली उसका आर्किटेक्चर ही वैसा है, दैट इज़ माई लैंडमार्क. बैंकॉक में कहीं भी जाऊँ तो आई रेफर टू दैट बिल्डिंग एंड देन वॉक इन दैट डायरेक्शन. मुझे ना अभी बहुत गुस्सा आया एक्चुअली. ग्राइंडर पर एक ट्विंक ऐसे था, मैंने उसको हायर किया तो ही वॉज लाइक इंडियन हो क्या, इंडियन ऐसे पूछा. थोड़ा आगे जाके बात करता हूँ. So I managed to ask them for a vegetarian rice. So this is where I came from. This is where I'm heading to the Chong Nonsi station. And here at the corner I found this very nice, cute little cafe where I got very simple Mang Savirat, that is vegetarian rice. No meat, no egg. I'm so glad that I found something at least. This is my dinner time, 5:30 p.m. So I'm happy that I'm at least a little full. So मुझे गुस्सा इस बात का आया था. उसने मुझे पूछा इंडियन, मैंने बोला येस, तो ही वॉज लाइक नॉट इन टू इंडियंस. मैंने बोला ओके, तो ही सेड यू गाइज आर फिल्दी, विच वॉज अननेसेसरी. मैंने कहा कि नॉट एवरी वन बट इट्स ओके, आई अंडरस्टैंड. So that's how this 8th trip started, but I think that's good as well.
Satani Playtime Sanam Kia Heng Chad, National Stadium, Terminal Station.
The challenge is going to be finishing this. let me show you that rainbow mushroom where I clicked a photo the last time. This is exactly how I clicked the photo. That's the MBK center right there, and I'm walking from all under the mushrooms. From under all the mushrooms. My knees have given up at this point. I just can't walk anymore. I'm growing old with each Thailand trip. Extremely tired today. Today was my arrival day, so I didn't really buy anything. But maybe I might on the way back to my hotel. My knees have given up today. सो जजमेंटल लोग हर जगह होते हैं. ओके, पीपल आर पीपल. मे बी हमारे यहाँ पे इतनी लिबर्टी नहीं होगी जितनी शायद यहाँ पर होती है, लेकिन जनरली मतलब एक चड्डियों का स्टॉल था और वहाँ पर शॉर्ट्स भी थे. तो देखते हैं लोग रोड साइड पर, आप जब खरीदते हो तो मतलब वहाँ के लोकल थोड़े से थाई लोग या इंडियंस के बारे में कभी कभी जो एक प्री कंसीव्ड नोशन होता है गलत वाला, वो मैंने देखा है, एक्सपीरियंस किया है, वर्सेस वाइट पीपल. मतलब जो गोरे लोग हैं उनको जिस तरह से ट्रीट करते हैं वर्सेस हम लोगों को जैसे ट्रीट करते हैं ब्राउन लोगों को, दैट इज़ देयर. नॉट एवरीबडी, very small percentage of people do that, but it's there because we are all human beings, right? At the end of the day, even अगर आप किसी के साथ जा रहे हो तो they tend to look, and it's okay. I mean, as long as you are sincere, you are doing everything honestly and with a pure clean heart, that's all that is enough.